Hey folks, good morning. Maverick Indicators here. Let's see here. So we are in 3 micros on gold. And you can see where we took this. We were kind of getting some sideways action and I waited for the jump up. So 3 micros. I know you guys have been emailing me a lot. You wanted me to trade more on micros than the full ES or full gold because it's just, you can just be wrong a lot more and it doesn't hurt at all. Anyway, we're in 3 contracts. We're up $500 on 3 micros, which is crazy because micros pay 10 times less than a mini. So why are we in this trade? Well, first off, you're going to see we have a green background. The Maverick AI Pro is giving us a green background. On top of that, we are above our Maverick guide. Okay, when we're above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we're below the Maverick guide, this blue line, we go short. Okay, so short, and then we go long right here. All right, we got a bunch of confidence arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4 confidence arrows in a row. Pretty awesome. Love those confidence arrows. Our Maverick Multi-X, and sorry, I got a bunch of, there we go. Our Maverick Multi-X, 6 time frames, 5 traders, all voting on these 6 time frames. They're all voting bullish. Sorry, definitely not bearish. They're all voting bullish. So imagine trading with 5 other traders. They all have a different style. They all have different preferences. They all have different biases. And imagine if you got their vote on 6 time frames as you traded. So I have these on short time frames. Again, we're in a government shutdown and not a lot of news and stuff like that. So I have them on the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5, the 10, the 15, and the 60 minute. All green. So remember, we stack probability. If we have a green background, if we have bright green candles, remember your Maverick AI Pro, bright green candles is your highest momentum to the upside. If you ever wondered what was going on behind a candle, let the Maverick AI Pro just color it. Bright green candles is your highest momentum to the upside. Pink candles is your highest momentum to the downside. Now on top of that, we're using our Maverick Trender, which my lifetime members, you guys all got this yesterday for free. And if you're interested in being a lifetime member, you get this for free in your suite. So right away, look at this label, uptrend. Okay, well, I got the green background. I got the label uptrend, and we're pinned to the top. See this pinning right here? When the Maverick Trender is pinned to the top, we ignore spikes. When you're pinned to the top, which I should have gotten in way down here, but I wasn't in front of my screen because it's, well, that was 8 a.m. Yeah, I wasn't really in front of here. I was authorizing some new members to our community. Welcome, y'all that joined yesterday. Pretty awesome. When it's pinned to the top, that's signaling your trend and strength. You're probably noticing down here as well, I have this on the 30 minute. So the 30 minute is pinned and it's flat at the top. Okay, so I'm looking at my higher time frame trend down here, and it's pinned and it's flattened out to the top. My lower time frame, my 5 minute, is pinned and flattened to the top. So I'm gonna stay in this thing. I'm gonna move my wonderful 3 contracts to break even. So now I'm even Steven. Again, green background, bright green candles to the upside, confidence arrows, 1, 2, 3. We're above the Maverick guide. Remember, when we're above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we're below it, we go short. Above it, long. Below it, short. Okay, and this is middle of the night trading. I really wouldn't trade then. The Maverick Multi-X is completely green. 5 traders, all voting a different style of trading, all voting across 6 time frames, and you can add a 7th, and you can customize these if you want on the 30 minute, the 60 minute, the 90, the 4 hour, whatever you want. They're all voting bullish here. Okay, so we're stacking probability. And then my Maverick Trender is completely pegged at the top of the screen. Completely pegged. That's what you want. And our 30-minute Maverick Trender is also completely pegged at the top. We're only in 3 micros, folks. 3 micros, okay, and we're up over $600. Okay, you can't beat that. All right, I probably risked about somewhere around. Now I moved my stop loss when I started recording this, but I probably risked down to somewhere around here when I first got in. So I probably risked about $40 to $60. It was probably closer to $60 I probably risked. So I risked $60 and I'm up over $600. That's what I'm talking about when you stack probability, when you have these indicators that are telling you bullish, 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 you're stacking your probability, and then we risk a small amount of money, right? I risked $60 maximum. I might have even risked 40, but I risked about, let's say I risked $60. I risked $60 and I'm over $500. It's going to retrace a little bit. No candle just goes up forever. So we got to allow some retracement here, but how stinking amazing is that? Okay. So anyway, I'm going to let this sucker run. I'm at break even. Might take some profits up here. Not sure. Might just let all 3 micros run. They're only micros, right? Let them run. I have my take profit up here. And I'll probably just trail it with my stop loss. I like to move my take profit like far away, and then I just trail it up. And we'll keep an eye on this. All right. We just got the turn of the 5-minute bar. So remember, we don't do anything the last and the first minute of a 5-minute bar, because that's where there's a lot of manipulation that happens then. You saw how it came all the way down, almost $400. Now we're back over $500 because you're past that 1 minute, that first minute of the 5-minute bar. Look, and now we're heading back up. Okay. So boom, let's go. Let's go. So if you're interested in the Maverick AI Pro, it colors your background, gives you the under the hood. It tells you what's going on behind the bar by coloring it by its strength. Gives you the Maverick guide, gives you these amazing confidence arrows that let you know you're in the right direction of the trade. The Maverick Multi-X, this guy down here, which is, think of this as 5 traders, they're algorithms, but think of this as 5 different unique traders all voting across 6 time frames to tell you what they think. And then the Maverick Trender, our lifetime members, they all got this for free yesterday with a couple other, 2 other indicators for free, because we take care of our lifetime members, a lot of perks. The Maverick Trender, it gives you the label, so you just know immediately we're in an uptrend. When it pegs at the top, that's when you're signaling strength into the upside. And look, on our 30-minute, we're pegged as well. And it's just going to keep going. This one just updates a little slower because it only moves every 30 minutes, right? This guy's moving every 5 minutes. So if you're interested in our indicator suite and get some free indicators, today's the day. I would rock it out. Go to MaverickIndicators.com. You can check out all our stuff. We got videos. You can see how many prop firm challenges we've passed with these things. It's just, our traders are just crushing it. All right. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.